Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Rukhsana, teacher post at BMS Langate. Students, in the previous lecture we have learnt about the two types of present tense, that is simple present or present indefinite and present perfect tense. First, let us recapitulate something about that. What is the structure of present simple present tense, or what is the structure of the present indefinite? We use subject plus simple present form of verb in present indefinite. And what is the structure of present perfect tense? Subject plus has or have plus past participle form of verb. Now we will discuss about the present continuous tense. What is its structure? Subject plus is, am, or plus ing form of verb. Why do we use present continuous tense? We use it to describe the events taking place in the current moment. Those events that are happening now. For example, she is eating dinner right now and can't answer the phone. I am drinking water, they are playing. I am drinking water right now. This action is happening right now. Or it is raining. It is raining right now. So we use present continuous tense here. And we also use present continuous tense to describe the temporary events. For example, she's studying a new language. Or we use present continuous tense to describe the longer actions in progress. For example, are you teaching at the school now? Anjum is studying to become lawyer. Sometimes we use present continuous tense to say that we are in a process of doing some large action. We are in a process of doing some longer action, which is in progress. However, we might not be doing it at that exact time, but the action is in progress. We also use the present continuous tense to describe repetitions and irritations. But with these, we use the word always or constantly with it. She is always coming to school late. They are always complaining. She is constantly talking in the class. The present continuous tense with words such as always or constantly. We use these to express the ideas that something irritating or shocking often happens. But when we use it for negative emotions, remember to put the words always and constantly with them. Now, let us move to present perfect continuous tense. What is the structure of present perfect continuous tense? Has or have plus been plus ing form of verb. For example, I have been playing, they have been reading, it has been raining. Why do we use present perfect continuous tense? Yes, we use it to describe past actions that have stopped recently or the past actions that are still continuing. First, we will discuss about the past actions that have stopped recently, that are just stopped. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about the actions that started in past and stopped recently. For example, I am tired because I have been working. I am tired right now. Why? Because in the past I have been working. But my work has stopped right now. Why is the grass wet? Has it been raining? So the grass is wet right now. But the action, that is the raining, it has been stopped. And we also use the past present perfect continuous tense for past actions that are still continuing. But with this we use for and since. For example, I have been working for 2 hours. We have been studying since 6 o'clock. The child has been crying since sunset. He has been talking with his friend for 2 hours. We have been living here since 2010. So, with present perfect continuous tense, we use for and since. Why do we use for and why do we use since? For is used with period of time, like if we mention 30 seconds or 10 hours, 2 days, 1 year, 3 decades, 5 centuries, there we use for. And if we are discussing a point of time like 5 a.m. Monday, May 1995 or 2010 Eid Diwali. There we use sense.